I come in peace. I know it's still August, but we're going to talk about autumn. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know I'm terrible with YouTube, but I do have a newborn baby, so that's my, and I know lots of people, he's actually not a newborn, he's 5 months old now. Sit back a bit. No. I'll sit up. But yeah, I'm back. Sorry, I've been away. I don't know whether you'll probably see this before my New York vlog, to be fair, because I'm so excited about this video. So I'm like, I'll edit this first, then I edit New York. So yes, you will see this first. Today I'm coming at ya with an autumn haul from Primark. I have been watching these every time, like, I'm tidying my room or just chilling out on the sofa with Stanley. I've been watching these autumn hauls so much, so I thought that I would do one. Disclaimer, I don't know like all the stuff around it. Basically, I'm working with Primark over on Instagram to do stories and a reel for all the autumn stuff. They haven't asked me to do YouTube. Obviously, I don't really have a big YouTube presence, but I wanted to show you all the stuff. So that's sort of my little disclaimer. Like, I have been gifted some of these items and I am working with them over on Instagram, but this is all my own free will for YouTube, and yeah, I'm really excited to show you all the bits. I know it's really early, I know it's still August, but if you want to get all the best stuff, you've got to go now, because all the shops are stocking it and everyone will be picking up all the best bits, and if you miss out, you miss out. So I went to the Brighton Primark to get all of these bits. I was given like a little gift card to go and pick the bits that I wanted to pick for my autumn decor. Their home section is like on the smaller side compared to, like, you know, Oxford Street and Tottenham Court Road. I think, is that the same Primark? Yeah, there's like Marble Arch and then Tottenham Court Road, because it goes like that. But Oxford Street, my geography is not great. But they still had amazing bits, as you will see in a second. So let's get on with it. Don't forget to please like this video if you love autumn as much as me, and subscribe to my channel. I promise, I know I say this every time, but I promise I am going to work harder on posting at least once a week. Now that Stanley's a bit bigger, we're going to be doing lots more fun stuff. I wanted to do Vlogtember, because I love Zoella's Vlogmas and she's doing Vlogust. So I thought maybe I could do Vlogtember, because we're in Spain for 3 weeks. However, I feel like those videos get really boring. Get up, have breakfast, go to the pool, come back, have a nap, go out in the evening. So maybe I'll do like a weekly vlog every week when we're in Spain. And there's some other really exciting things happening in September. So yeah, all good. Also, my cruise videos did really well last year, and we're going on a 2-week cruise this year, not a 1 week, because there'll be 2 feature-length, like hour-long cruise videos for you to enjoy in November. Anyway, enough of that, let's get into this. Let's start with pumpkins. So first of all, we've got this big one. So this is like a boucle pumpkin. So it's like a sort of like a rust colour, I would say. Like, it's not a bright orange, and it's not, would you say it's brown? I'd say it's an orangey brown. I'd say it's rust, an autumnal rust. It says brown on the label. £7 for this here pumpkin. This is a big centrepiece in my autumn decoration, because I just love it. I think it's really, like, sort of, it's a bit, I love boucle, and I've got lots of like boucle cushions and stuff, so it sort of fits in really well with that. And I might even go and get some, I've got cream boucle cushions, I might even get some autumn colour ones. Be really naughty. So yeah, so this is £7. It's nice and sturdy. It's got I've got the string on top of here. Yeah, lovely. Okay, so next up we will go with this little rattan one. Is it rattan or rattan? Can you write in the comments? Is it rattan? So that would be like, well, they're both spelled the same, aren't they? I think it's rattan. Am I correct, or is it rattan? So you just need to say if I'm right or wrong. This little rattan sort of plaited pumpkin. I saw this on Floralie's channel, actually. I don't know if you've seen her before. She came from my, like, suggested. Love her. £3.50. I love the smell. If this is like your decor vibe, this would be perfect for you. Obviously, what a stupid thing to say. It's really sturdy, and I will use this. That's probably like on like a little side table. Oh, I'm gonna do like a proper like decorate with me for autumn in like September, October time. Then these, a little bit fabulous. I want fabulous, that is my simple request. So these are white and gold sparkly pumpkins. How amazing are these? So these are £3 each. I've got 2 of these obviously to have symmetrical. And then, because I also wanted symmetrical, I got 2 of these. Now, someone put, I think it was on Florali's one actually, said about people saying these look like garlic, and now I can't unsee it. So I've got 2 of these. I'm going to hold it with one hand, or 2 hands. So I've got 2 of these. Big ceramic pumpkins. These are £6. I think these look really premium, and I feel like in other places you'd pay a lot more money for these than £6. So I've got 2 of these just so I can stay symmetrical. Then velvet pumpkins. So this one, it says burnt orange, that's the colour I meant of that. This is burnt orange. So again, these are really like squishy, they're really lovely. This is like wooden. Again, I feel like all of this looks so premium, and I'm not just saying that. So this is £4.50. So I just got 1 of these orange ones because I wanted this for a side table. But then I got 2 of the green ones. So 2 of the green ones. They're really like bouncy, if that makes sense. So these are, yeah, £4.50 still. Really bouncy. So I've got 2 of these so I can stay symmetrical on my underneath the media wall. There is a red one, like a ruby red one, and I've seen it on Instagram and they didn't have it in Brighton, so tomorrow I'm going to Brentwood to go on the search for it, because we're up there anyway. But also, there's this beautiful, I've seen it on Instagram, this big, beautiful pumpkin oven dish, and I feel like it would force me, it's so beautiful that it would force me to make soup content through the autumn, so I'm going to go and try and find that tomorrow as well. I'm going to go on the hunt. Oh, and that concludes my pumpkins. We'll now go on to like smells. So this candle, cedarwood and vanilla candle, smells so nice. I mean, you know I'm a Bath and Body Works gal, but this £3.50. You don't get much for £3.50 in Bath and Body Works, let me tell you. It's £3.50, really cute little, I love that. And then the same scent, cedarwood and vanilla diffuser. I haven't put the sticks in yet. That was £3. So basically you could either, because it's the same scent, you can either double up, or if you're more of a candle or a diffuser person, you've got options. Then you've got cedarwood and apple blossom tea lights. These smell so, this smells like when I used to go to America, and I used to walk around the Florida Mall like in the autumn, and they'd have like the pretzel stand and like all the different like smelly shops. It just really takes me back. Take me back. You know, the what's his, I can't think of his name. Oh, I can't think of his name. Chris, is it Chris Hall? Who does the thing where people are like, after they come home, take me back. Take me back. Take me back. I'm obsessed with America, you know I am. And I'm wearing this to try and manifest. Sam was talking about maybe one day in the future he would love to go and do an MBA in America. So now I'm just wearing everything with this sort of thing on it to manifest that we will move to America one day. I'd just love to. Now I can invite everyone for actual Thanksgiving. We've got a rhubarb and gin candle, £8. Lovely glass. The glass is so pretty. Pretty. Excuse my nails, they're being done next week. Then cedar, patchouli and amber spray, £4.50. Again, all the autumn vibes. I love, like, I am the worst person because everything that happens, I go, oh, it's so Americanised, like so Americanised. Maid of Honour, so Americanised. Bachelorette party, so Americanised. Then it comes to autumn and I'm like, so, I'd like to celebrate Thanksgiving with my friends and family, so I'd like it if you could all come round and just humour me for a couple of hours, please. Basically, I'm obsessed with America. I'm just a hypocrite. This linen candle, this was really cheap. This was £2.50. It's really cute. Nice fresh smell. I'd say this is probably not as strong scent as the other 2, but it is the cheapest. Some people don't like I like my whole house to just stink of candles. And then if you don't like scented candles at all, got this. I've got a pine cone. What about you? Pine cone unscented candle. This was £3. This is really cute. I wish I got 2 of these, but I didn't. I was panic buying. Then look at this oven dish. Now imagine, could put a couple of camemberts in there, put it in the oven with some like rosemary, some garlic, some honey, and then you could have some bread on the side and then get people to dip. Amazing. So this is a toadstool ceramic oven dish. £6. £6. Really roomy actually. You could do loads of different stuff in there. But I just love melted cheese. So yeah, I'm still cosplaying. Actually, you can't have that when you're pregnant, can you? But Basically, I'm not doing well with this whole post-pregnancy not being a greedy pig anymore. Yeah, that's my life. Then we've got these little pumpkin bowls, £6. These are really good for like your olives, for your peanuts, for like your little stuffed peppers. Or also got this leaf bowl, which I absolutely love, really premium, £6 as well. Crisps in here, dips in here, autumn extravaganza. Got this is like a little whistle stop talk through. These like little toadstools. I believe they had them in the red colour as well, but I was just loving this for my sort of autumnscape. These are £3.50 each. So I didn't think I was a toadstool kind of girl, you know, but I am, evidently. So yeah, absolutely love these. So basically, I don't really know, but during lockdown, I was really bored and I kept reading American people's books and they kept talking about Thanksgiving. So I was like, I know, we haven't got anything to do, I'll do Thanksgiving. So I did Thanksgiving, which was amazing. And then the following year I did the autumn extravaganza. I was about to say Ganza, autumn extravaganza, which was like 16 people, I think. I basically cook a big American style roast dinner. And by that, I know you can say, well, roast dinners are British, but an American style roast dinner is basically a British style roast dinner, but I used 1 kilo of butter and 1 kilo of brown sugar across all the recipes. Then last year, because I was pregnant, I only did it for like 7 of us. So this year, I want to do it again. I need to, like, because I haven't got a double oven, I have to go to mum and dad, so I need to confirm a date with them. But if I do it, how cute are these napkins? These are 24 in a pack, they're £1.50 per pack. Leaves and toadstools, so cute. £6, this like little cute sage green, like little pumpkin oven proof dish. So again, you can make like little dips in there. You could serve like a amuse-bouche soup in there. You could put some cheese in there and melt the cheese. I love the cheese. And then also we've got that one's sort of big, but then this one is slightly bigger, and this one is £6 as well. So this one's slightly taller and slightly wider. This one's more like a cupcake shape. But again, oven proof dish, so much you can do with them. I think they're so cute. I feel like if I had the storage, I would buy one of these for each of the autumn extravaganza guests, and they'd get like their starter in this. But I just don't have anywhere to store it, and I think Sam will kill me if I came home with like 14 of these. And then finally, some tea towels. We've got 4 tea towels. So you've got like a orange one, a sage green one, and then 2 pattern ones for £4.50. I'm loving like the different colours, like the jewel. I love jewel tones. I'm loving the jewel tone of these, and I will get that red one tomorrow. And I might even get a second one of these. You know. Also loving like the sage green that's coming in. So I feel like if you want to go sort of like glamorous autumn, you can go jewel. Or if you want to go sort of like more home and country, you can go for like these more sort of neutral, muted tones. Anyway, that is my Primark autumn haul. Thank you so much for watching. I know there's so much for you to choose from on YouTube, so I'm glad that you chose to come and spend a little bit of time with me. Hit the subscribe button because there's so much coming, and don't forget the notification bell as well. Right, see you soon.